is a beautiful miracle. And life is all about courage. Life is about service. Yes, today's guest is a mom of twins, is a great entrepreneur, is coming from a very simple, humble background, but her achievements are magical. She's a great speaker. She's a wellness consultant. She's positive. She's peaceful. And she is Shobna Ram Jairam. Welcome, ma'am.
Welcome. Thank you so much, Sunny, for giving me this opportunity. Good to meet you and good to know about you and be on screen with you. And happy to meet you. Always smiling, always getting good messages from you. So it's amazing to see your positive messages every day. Thank you so much for connecting. And yeah, we can go.
Thank you so much. It feels like it is my interview and you are honoring me with so many compliments and all.
But you are taking your time and you're taking your like it's your precious time and you're taking and getting to know people, and it's not a small thing, so it definitely requires some thankfulness. Yeah.
God's grace, God's love, God's gift. And I feel truly blessed to sit in front of you because you are a huge success story. You are a huge inspiration to so many thousands, right? So please tell us your journey from a small town to Atlanta, Georgia, California, US. So please tell us, how did all this happen? And then we'll come to your entrepreneurship as well.
Sure, Sunny. So I grew up in southern part of India. So my native is Theni district, which is very small town.
Yes.
I am the only child to my parents. My dad, he was working in government hospital, Siddha pharmacist, and my mom is a housewife. So it's like a very small nuclear family. But my dad, their family, everybody is like 5, 8 sisters, brothers, and it's a big
Yes.
family. But
Yes.
I grew up as a small nuclear family, and as I'm the only child, I was taken care, pampered a lot, and grew up in Madurai. Fully, I grew up in Madurai, and I did my schooling, college, everything from Madurai. And I'm a very, very shy person that I had only 6 girls of my friends, and I studied with them from the pre-K to high school. Because of not changing that set of friends, I don't want to change the school. So even though my dad got transfer and all, I don't want to move. And because of me, he left us in the same place and he was traveling. So I was like, okay, I got my friends, I'm enough and I'm good enough. So that's what I was. And then I went to college. I did my electrical electronics engineering from Madurai, and it's Kamaraj Engineering College it's like border to Virudhunagar and Madurai.
Yes,
And
yes.
actually, when I was doing my second year of engineering, I got married.
Okay.
And my husband, his name is Jagan, and he's working in IT. But his family, everybody is relative, so we got married very early. But because of his support, I could able to continue my education. I was there in Madurai and able to finish my degree. And then I moved to US. So in between, I came in for a semester holidays. I came into US as a 48 days vacation. I came to US. He was working, my husband was working in US. So, and after I finished my engineering in 2010, I reached back to US. And since it's been 10 plus years for me here in US. So when I came here, country is new and we were very young. So we were enjoying the time period, and I got pregnant and twins. So with family, we had parents, like everybody was here. With first 2 years, it was good. With then was very exciting with twins, and we always had a notepad and keep the time, which kid changed diaper, which time, which kid we fed the time, and it was like a very busy time period for the first 2 years, and
Wow.
absolutely, it was a wonderful time period. And then
Yes.
then I felt, okay, I done my engineering, I had my family, everything is good, but how about my career? I need something as a unique about me. I need to prove myself, because I don't want to just sit at home. Anyways, I know if I sit at home, I'll be sitting at home, I'll become lazy, or it's not lazy, I do home chores, it's not a small thing. Being a housewife is also a very big thing. It requires a lot of effort. But the thing is, I need something as a uniqueness out of me. I need to show myself as an example to my kids, where they need to they need to see me as a woman, right? So that's how I was looking in. I was looking in for a lot of opportunities, something that, when we are coming from India, we have something as a special for India. So something that we get something export and import. So I was looking for a lot of opportunities, but nothing worked out because couple of reasons. Like, I was not ready to invest because something as a risk factor I was seeing in, and time factor. If it is an import and export, I have to go and do a lot of shipping, handling features, something like that. And I was having some of the backlogs at my mind with the starting of a business, but I was keep looking something that I was looking into utilize my non-productive time and to start with. And my husband was very supportive, so he was looking for a lot of opportunities for me, something that, because I was mentioning that I'm a shy person, I don't want to interact with a lot of people and go for things. So there's a lot of things. Give me a laptop, I'll sit at home and I can do something, and any business that is coming up that way, I'll be happy. That's what I was saying to him. But actually, that is a very interesting story, that how I get into entrepreneurship, because I met our mentors here. They live in Texas, and through a common friend, I could able to meet them personally. They are also from Tamil Nadu. They got settled here, and they are very successful. They are very successful in their business career. He works. He works in a reputed university here, and their kids, their family, their time with their family, their reputation. I was wondering, like, how they could able to do that here in another country, because this is not India. This is a different country that we are living in. So I was wondering, and I could able to get their time. Like, I was seeking their mentorship. Help me, because I don't know anything about business, but I want to do business, something that I can utilize my time and do it. So please help me. And that's where they helped me to launch my business in the e-commerce platform. And they coached me to get onto health and wellness industry. And that's where my journey started with entrepreneurship. But one part is as health and wellness, that is my passion always, because during my childhood, I was so much of like a very weak kid. Lot of time I get lot of fever, cold, lot of things, because I was a single child and never had a like immunity. It was very weak for me. So, and my dad was in Siddha for pharmacy side, and so he get to see me go through a lot of things. Even if I cannot even smile. If I smile for a long period of time, I'll get cough. So that was my kind of health. And but eventually it got changed because my father was very keen in taking care of my health. He always insists me to take more vegetables. You don't need to take rice or nothing like that. If you eat vegetables, I'm fine. That's what he always says. And he always mentioned food is our medicine. If we eat it limit, it is our medicine, and don't take it too much. That's what he always says. And he's my inspiration for getting my inclination towards health. And I know if I am taking care of my health, I can able to take care of my family. That's where, right? So that path of health and wellness into entrepreneurship is what attracted me. Okay, something that that
I
is
really
coming
liked
up.
the way you shared about your dad, about your mom, and a great support system you're blessed with. Your husband, amazing. And then magic of mentorship. Yes, your story is so inspiring. What are your top 3 values?
My values are always my first priority is my family, Sunny. And because without family, we I mean, sometimes we feel okay, I can be at home for alone. Sometimes some of the people I see here, they live alone, but that is not a fulfilling life. they feel aloneness and there is no inner peace or happiness in there without family. So absolutely family is required. Maybe from outside it looks good, but with family, when you're with family, that's where the absolute peace comes in, and you can add value. Whatever you are getting out of the family, you can add that value to others. And my second value is the principles, the life principles
Yes.
that we follows.
Yeah.
So that is very important. A lot of time people, they are working in and out, and they compromise some of those principles when they are working in job and doing things. So if it is there, just come out of there. If your principles are not valued, just come out of there, be yourself.
Yeah.
That's what I always believe in. And faith. Third one is faith. Faith in us, faith in every other people, faith in company we are working in, faith in country, faith in God. Actually, faith in God is the first. I'm actually going out of reverse, but
Beautiful.
yeah, these
Faith
are
in self, mentor, and God always helps. Yes. Your three happiest moments.
the happiest moments is for first time when I, because I was, as I mentioned, I got married in my second year of college. My parents told me that they are looking for my marriage, and they are planning for my wedding, and I was not interested because I was doing just second year of college. I don't have any idea about marriage, and I don't have a figure of someone whom I'm going to marry. So that time my parents convinced me, let's just see who is coming, because we know he's a good person. Just look at him and have a conversation with him, and if you like him, we'll move forward. That's what they mentioned. But when I met him for the first time, I realized how good it is. Because no, I read a book by Malcolm Gladwell, Blink book.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
So he always mentions like first 3 seconds of that the connection or the feeling that you get it right. That's what I felt it. So he's like a gem of a person. And when I
I
first
can
met him,
understand.
having that conversation, so that's my happiest moment. Okay, I might have missed if I didn't meet him. So
Yes.
that's my
And the
first.
support system, he's proved that he's amazing. He's the best. He's a strong pillar. That is
Absolutely.
what is truly, truly a blessing, a gift.
Definitely. And my second happy moment is with getting pregnant with twins, because after we got married, both my husband and me were separate, and I was doing college in India. He was here in US. So the conversations we had were over phone calls, and we always speak. We want to have twin boys who are identical twin boys. Like we were talking because we both love twins. His family also had twins, and in my school days, I had a lot of the neighbors who had twins. So we kind of both like twins. So we want to have twins as kids for us. So we kind of utilized power of spoken word. And
Yeah, manifestation, law of attraction. You ask and it will be given.
yeah, and we
Wow.
didn't just say twins, we just clearly said identical twin boys. And after I moved in 2010 to US, I had picture of twin boys posted in my home, in our room, and even in laptop screen I had twin boys, identical boys picture, and we were like seeing every day. And when we went to doctor for the checkup, just for the confirmation of pregnancy, the doctor said, looks like it's twins. And imagine how surprised we were. That's like an a jaw dropping moment kind of, and it was a, we believed, that's where we believed the power of spoken words, power of the law of attraction. And that's a
God gave you Lord's avatar in your lap. Great.
and the next happiest moment I would say is when I become an entrepreneur. My dad and my mom, they become very proud. Like initially my dad was very concerned, like I got my engineering degree, but I never worked in that field. um,
Yeah.
my dad was like thinking like at least one day if we could able to work and get the thing that, hey, my daughter studied engineering and she was working. So kind of a pride or something that he want to feel about, because I did my
Yeah.
engineering. but that never happened. I never had that opportunity. So when I became an entrepreneur and I was recognized by some of the industry leaders, and I was speaking, and last week we had, I think the event is still going on for the Asia Book of Record. So I was speaking there as well, and my parents were very proud. Because if I was working as engineer in a job, that moment will not happen.
ஆமா
So
அப்போ இந்த இன்டர்வியூ காமிச்சிடலாம், இந்த இன்டர்வியூ சந்தோஷப்படுவாங்க. ஐ என்
yeah,
குழந்தை. சரி,
so
உங்களுக்கு
that's where
எந்த மூவி பிடிக்கும்?
movies பாப்பேன், but always I watch something as a comedy. Like I don't watch any like அழுக movie அந்த மாதிரி எதுவுமே பார்க்க மாட்டேன். So I always watch something as a laughing or comedy movies, and something every week Friday night we sit as family and we watch. So
Very
that's our
nice. So எந்த பாட்டு பிடிக்கும்? பாட்டு நிறைய பிடிக்கும் எனக்கு தெரியும்.
Recently I never heard any new songs and I don't remember anything.
இல்ல பழைய சாங் பாடுங்க பரவாயில்ல.
எனக்கு பாடலாம் தெரியாது. I
கொஞ்சமா
like
பாடுங்க பரவாயில்ல.
Ilayaraja songs.
பிரேயர் பாடினா கூட பரவாயில்ல. டிவோஷன்.
இல்ல எனக்கு டெஃபினட்டா பாடலாம் தெரியாது.
ஸ்கூல் பிரேயர்.
ஸ்கூல் பிரேயர் கூட நான் பாட மாட்டேன். நான் தான் சொன்னேனே, I was very shy. அந்த லைன்னா அதுக்குள்ளே போயிட்டு அதுக்குள்ளே
அந்த ஷை எல்லாம் போயிடுச்சு இப்போ. சோ இப்போதான் நீங்க இன்டர்நேஷனல் ஸ்பீக்கர், entrepreneur, peace of mind. So peace பாட்டாச்சு பாடணும்ல. பாசிட்டிவ் ஆட்டிட்யூட் பாட்டு.
இல்ல எனக்கு பாட்டு எதுவுமே ஞாபகம் வரல.
பரவாயில்ல, வேண்டாம் விடுங்க. நீங்க சிரிச்சிட்டே இருங்க, ஜாலியா இருங்க. We wish you all the best. I'm so thankful to you for sharing your inspiring support system, for sharing your inspiring law of attraction miracles and your happy moments. So let this beautiful journey continue with more miracles, more manifestations, more giving, more pride, more moments of pride for parents, for family, for self, and selfless service. Thank you so much, Shobna Ram ma'am. Truly, truly a very divine experience with you. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Sunny. Wonderful chatting with you. Absolutely. It's a great opportunity for me. And definitely I'll come over to your home and visit you. So it will be a happy moment to meet you as well.
Thank you so much. Most welcome. Thank you so much. And vanakkam to your parents. Vanakkam to your supportive hubby. And love for your twins.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.